Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to clear RAM on Mac. So first of all, press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Here, type Activity Monitor, and once you get result, click on it to open. Once Activity Monitor opens up on the screen, click on the Memory tab at the top. Here you will see a complete overview of your MacBook memory usage. At the bottom, you will find the memory pressure graph. If the graph is green, it means your MacBook memory is working efficiently. You will also see sections like physical memory, which shows the total amount of RAM installed on your MacBook. The memory used section shows how much RAM is currently being used by apps and background processes. Next, you will see the app memory section, which shows how much memory each individual application is using. Now you need to find which applications are using the most RAM. If you find an app, double-click on it, and a new pop-up will appear on the screen. Now click on the Quit button, and again click Quit to stop that app from running in the background. This can instantly free up RAM on your MacBook. Now from the top left, open the Apple menu, and from here, click on System Settings to open it. Once the Settings panel appears on the screen, go to the General section, and from the right side, find and click on Login Items and Extensions. Here in the Open at Login section, find the malicious item and then click the minus button at the bottom of that list to delete it entirely. Here, you will see applications that automatically open when your MacBook starts. Simply turn off the toggle next to them. You may need to verify the changes using your MacBook password or Touch ID. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can help reduce RAM usage and improve overall performance. And that's it. This is how you can clear RAM on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.